I wore my no-build van build out. I often get asked, how do you live in a van? How do you live in a van? I used to give the answer, you don't live in a van, you live out of it. However, I've come to realize that nothing could be farther from the truth. Sure, my goal living in a van was to live out of it, taking long road trips and exploring some of the most beautiful places in the U.S. My motto has always been less junk and more journey. The truth is, though, you do live in your van as much as you live out of it. This is why your van bed is of the utmost importance. I chose a minimalist van build, sometimes referred to as a no-build van build. I had a folding chair that could be transformed into a bed. 3 years ago, when I got the chair bed, it didn't seem low to me and the bed springs were still robust. However, I worn that sucker out and now it's time to bed for real. I am glad that now, even though my van bed is gone, I still have my back seats. I'm sleeping on my back seats and also using a sleeping bag on the floor, which isn't that bad. I can still sit on my back seat and have a view from my porch. That's what I call it when I'm sitting in my van with the sliding doors open. I visited Ikea and have been searching online for a new bed. This was a beautiful day in San Diego. For the time being, what type of bed do you think I should consider next? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. I didn't mention, but I'm moving more to a nomadic lifestyle, not a total van lifestyle. And I'll be talking more about that in the upcoming videos.